So in the second case, think of the situation when the cell is kept in a solution whose concentration is more than that of inside the cell. In this case, what will happen? Now, water will start moving out from the cell into the external environment that is in the concerned solution. So, water will start moving out. So, in that case, what will happen? The cell will shrink in size. So, what will happen? The cell will become smaller. So, shrinkage of cell occurs. So this process by which water is moving out of the cell into the external environment, that is called as exosmosis. So in this case, the external solution, the outer solution, that will be called as hypertonic. Clear? Now come to the third case. Supposing the cell is kept in a solution whose concentration is same as that of inside the cell. Then what will happen? In this case, since concentration of both the cell and the external environment is same concentration, here the cell will not show any change in its size. So in this case, the outer solution is called as isotonic in nature. Isotonic solution. Clear, children? So the first case where the external environment is having lesser concentration of salts than that of inside the cell, then the external one is called as hypotonic solution. If the external solution has greater concentration of salts than that of inside the cell, it will be called as hypertonic solution. External solution will be called as hypertonic solution. And if the concentration of salts outside the cell and inside the cell is same, then in that case the external solution will be called as isotonic solution. Clear, children? So this is how substances move outside the cell, come inside the cell by the process of osmosis. Right, children? Next is regarding the flexibility of cell membrane. Now, children, I think you are aware of amoeba, unicellular organism amoeba. Now, in amoeba, they don't have a regular shape. It is of any shape. And this amoeba is capable of forming pseudopodia. This is pseudopodia. Whenever it finds food, and then these pseudopodia will engulf the food and bring the food inside, and then this food will be termed as food vacuole. Now these pseudopodia can be formed anywhere. This shows that the cell membrane is highly flexible. So this process by which, in case of amoeba, the process by which food is engulfed by formation of false feet or pseudopodia, this process is called as endocytosis. Remember. So the process by which the plasma membrane, due to its flexible nature, can develop certain structures and engulf food or other substances from the external environment to inside of the cell is called as endocytosis. Right, children? So in our next class, we will start learning about the other parts of the cell. Thank you.